Welcome. In this video I will show you how to prevent Google Play services from draining the battery of our HONOR Magic8 Lite smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on our phone, then go to apps menu in settings, then in apps menu we're gonna have to go to manage apps and find Google Play services. Go right here and then find the storage menu, open it and just clear the cache of the application by tapping right here. Then you can restart your phone, and if battery drain persists, we can go back to the apps settings, then go to permission manager and find location in here. Then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen, select show system, go to Google location history, then here select turn off and delete activity. Tap next, delete, and tap got it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.